Man, there's a notification it's about to hit right now. Oh, a little later than I thought, but there it is. We are live, guys. Trap My Ride is live. What is up, guys? Check it out. You can see I got the big Nike parka on. I got my hoodie on. It's cold out here, guys. What is it like? See, November 21st. Next week is Thanksgiving, guys. We're sitting here in the Jag, and I got the Trap Blazer moved out of the way. We got to start it up. This car is cozy when it's cold outside. I'm telling you, this thing's got a hell of a good heater. Yeah, way warmer than the Trap Blazer, but the Trap Blazer stays hella cold in the summer. The AC in that thing, I'm telling you, Chris Schaefer, he asked me to turn it up, like, so it was warmer this summer, and it was like 90 degrees, 100 degrees outside. But this thing, I'm telling you, when it's like 40 below, this is where you want to be. This seat is warm, it's cozied up, and I'm telling you, I turned the heat off so we don't have to hear it blow and whatever, but I'm telling you, it's cozy in here, guys. I'm digging it. But I got the Trap Blazer pulled out of the way. There's been some people curious of how bad this bearing is in this car. I think it's terrible. Like, I think it's real bad. Some people say, oh, it's not that bad. I think it's pretty bad, guys. So we're going to pull it out of the driveway and try and back it back in. So we're going to see how it goes. We're going to try. I really don't want to tear the car up and break it. Like, if someone buys this car, I want it to be easy for them to fix, so that way they can enjoy it. They don't have to go through a lot of headache and trouble, because this is a nice car. But I don't want to break it for myself either in case I don't sell it. So in the spring, you know, I don't have a nightmare. But I can't drive at night with these things on, and I know I'm just in my driveway, but just for good practice. And so that way everybody sees. I'm going to put my safety belt on. But there's no license plate on this car. I really shouldn't have it on the road anywhere. The rollers, they just went by a minute ago, and you know, they're always creeping, checking out what I'm doing. They can just watch the videos, so they don't have to creep past and watch. But anyway, I don't think we're gonna take it on the road. If we do, guys, it's not gonna be much. It's just gonna be up the driveway and back. So, all right, I'm a little nervous, guys, to be honest with you. I gotta get these things off. I'm gonna turn on some lights. Damn, here we go. I hope my car does not break here. I'll be pretty... Oh man, my wheels turn. Someone's pulling in my driveway. Oh, that's the Equinox. Can you guys hear it? She's right my way. Oh. Can you guys hear it? If you can hear it, get in the comments and let me know that you can hear it. I can't see if there's a car coming. No, the coast is clear there, guys. We're gonna see how it goes. We're gonna back this on up out of here. We're in the road. I really just want to wheel it around so I can get it in the driveway. It's not crunchy per se, but I can roll that window down so I can see. Oh, there we go, that'll help. Ooh. Oh, my little dog's out. I hope I don't run him over. I guess I do have a camera back here. Let's use that camera. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I can definitely hear it. It doesn't sound as bad to me as it did the other day, though, honestly. Live video. I'm on live. So that's backed up about as far as I can get in my driveway. We're gonna put it down and drive. And we're gonna drive down to the end. Back it up one more time. It's definitely rubbing, guys. Maybe it's not that bad. Definitely rubbing. All right. Lights are turned off. I don't know if you guys could hear any of that or not. Let's get these turned back on. Man, they're always so bright in my eyes, but they're good to see. So that's what it is, guys. I don't really know if you guys could really even hear that, if it's even that bad. I could hear it. Definitely not impressed with it. Way too many cold days and snow coming, guys, for me to mess with that. I want something different in the spring. I have a good idea, and I don't want to say too much yet. I want to leave a little bit of it for a surprise. I don't want to give out all my secrets yet, but it should be good, guys. Should be real good. But yeah, I don't think that's good. I don't think that's good at all. But that's what it is. I have a guy, he wanted to come today from Wisconsin, which is quite a ways away from where we're at here in Indiana. He wanted to come from Wisconsin and check out this car. He wants to buy it. He seems pretty serious. He wants to drive it back to Wisconsin. And I told him I don't know. I don't know if it'll make it back or not. It may, guys. It may not be that bad. He may get up the road a couple feet and it die out on him. So it's hard to say. I really wish whoever buys it would tow it, and that way I don't have to worry about their safety on their way home. I'd feel a lot better about it. But I mean, if he's willing to risk it and whatever, I guess that risk is on him. But I just wanted to be aware that it's not so good. There's Tom. I don't know if, or yeah, it's Tom, I do believe, or Tim. I'm so bad with names. But he's watching. I didn't know if he had gotten a chance to hear it or not. He definitely knows a lot about these cars, a lot more than I do. But yeah, it's pretty rough, guys. I think so. This thing's got to go. I want an STR or an XKR. Definitely. So guys, that's what I'm thinking. But anyway, for right now, I'm done playing with this. I'm going to let this thing run for a few more minutes, get this cut up. I'm going inside. I'm not going to freeze anymore. There may be a light show in the near future, so stay posted, stay tuned. This is an update on that grinding ass wheel bearing. I don't think it's so impressive, guys. It may not seem that bad, like I say. Get in the comments, let me know what you guys think. Until next time, don't forget, keep on trapping.